Morning guys, Sunday, just stopped raining, so I want to go for my ride. But first, I promise you that I'm going to do a review of the Mavic rims that I got recently, right? Well, I did it on the ride on Monday, so it's been about 6 days. Okay, the bike's all washed up and clean, but I think it's gonna get dirty again today. So let's get down and do the short review on this wheel set. Okay, so I got my bike on the work stand now. Okay, I don't have the most scientific way to do it, but I have a caliper here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the caliper against the rim on the outside. Okay, as close as possible to the calipers. Okay, that measures about what? No, it's better this way. Measures about 44.5 mm. Okay, just gonna put it to like 44. Okay, and then we'll see, and then give it a spin. 44. Okay, you can see it's slightly out of through. Let me do that again. Okay, you see like some parts is like hitting the caliper. So it's about between 43, what is this, 41 to 42.5 to about 44.5, so it's about 2 mm off. So now I got my spoke tensioner. I'm just gonna check how the spoke tension, got it the wrong way out. That's about 37. Okay, so the spoke tension is about between 37 to about 44. Okay, so maybe I'll need to check the spoke tension later and readjust the tension. But for now, I'm gonna go for my ride. So the sun's finally out. Beautiful day for a ride. It's been raining for like what, 3-4 days. Okay, so the road's gonna be wet. I'm gonna cut through some paddy fields, a bit of off-road. It's gonna be really muddy. Just my bike, it's gonna get dirty again, but you know, for the loads of ride, keeping the bike clean, let's go. But that video is gonna be for the next ride. Okay, that's the end of my review for today. Catch you in the next ride.